Welcome to Life's Bare Necessities. You ever wondered how to adjust the flame on your burners? Picture this. You're in your kitchen ready to whip up a culinary masterpiece, but the flame isn't quite right and it's very low. Fear not, here's a quick guide, but before running these steps, remove the burner and look down the center where your gas comes out. If it's dirty, that may be your issue. Unclog with a needle. This normally happens when people pour detergent when cleaning the stove. Now let's continue. First off, remove the front knobs on the front. That's your starting point. Now carefully remove the cover by opening the oven door and unscrewing on the bottom of the knob cover. Once you've done this, the wiring ignition harness needs to be removed. You now have access to the adjustment area. On the small shaft where your knobs go, there is a gap. Use a fine, thin, flat screwdriver in there to adjust the flame. All about precision and patience from here. Turn the adjustment screw slowly. Observe the changes in the flame. Too high, too low. Adjust until you find that sweet spot. Remember, safety first. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, always seek professional help. Your kitchen is your kingdom. Rule it wisely. Adjusting the flame on your burners, a simple task with a big impact. Loop this guide until you're confident. Enjoy the savings in your cooking journey. Don't forget to subscribe and learn more on everyday life's bare necessities.